I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. So today we'll speak about sex, words and gender. I will try to explain you what is the distinguish between communicating in Russia with a girl or in other countries, or call your friend or maybe colleague. Let's go to the board. Let's start from this so useful word, guys. You heard it everywhere, this word, guys, guys, guys. But we have the same. Ребята, ребята, guys, ребята, ребята. So ребята, you can use it with three group of people who is going somewhere, or I don't know, in a party, staying 20 years, 25 years old guys. So can be guys. Even if some girl there, you can say guys, you can call them and it's okay. So if it's a couple, also you can call them guys. Come here guys, are you okay? Like, hi, привет, guys, привет, ребят. It's okay for us. But never say guys if it's some girls, but up to 45 years old. It's actually not girls, right? So it's women. Never say the women, never call them guys, ребят. It's like a bit rude. And if even it's a man and up to 45, it's not your friend, never call it. It's so bad situation if you say that. So you can say brother, also brat, bratан, we can say bratан, brat. And listen, it's a big problem. Yes, sure, you can hear that in Russia, and someone in Turkey, Brazil, Italy, but from Russia can call you bratan, brat. It doesn't mean your brother. You have the same mom, you have the same house, and I don't know, maybe something you have, but it's actually not your brother. Are you agree with me? So if someone from Russia call you bratan, brother, it doesn't mean he wants to show that you're close person. So no, he wants to show you that to you will be more open for conversation, but it doesn't mean he think that you are his brother. So be careful. I would avoid this word if I would be man. So brother, bro, you can say your friend from university or someone who close to you, maybe really your brother. My friend, he always call me bro, but it's like, you know, I'm a girl, how he can say that? But I'm friend, his close friend, and he can say that to make me fun, you know. It can be that, but never use it if you want to look serious, you know. Okay, let's move on to another word, and also it's so useful. My friend, друг, hey, друг, hey. If you can hear hey, it means he's not so how to say, it's not the person who respect you so much, you know. He is not so educated from the one hand, or from another he want to show that you are not close to his personality. Do you understand? It's not a rude, but I would never say that. Let's say that. If you are an educated person, never say, hey, hey, never say. It's something confuse you. So friend, you can say you're also as the same as the guys. Friend, друг. I've heard at some restaurant, another person who was sitting and order some I don't know, some meat or something. It's not important. He tried to call some person through another table, like, hey, friend, друг. It's really so funny. And maybe 50% Russian can do it, but please never think it's respectful and that you can do it, because it can be rude. So my favorite topic, girlfriend, boyfriend. In English, if I'm talking with someone and I can say, my friend, and nobody knows who I'm talking about. I'm talking about man or female. But we have also friend means друг. You can say друг, but if you call someone like that through another way, it means you not respect that person. If you're talking at home or somewhere, open your heart and speaking so warmly and differently, you can say you're my friend, ты мой друг. It means a lot. But if you call someone outside of your car or somewhere, it doesn't mean that he means it. So about girlfriend and boyfriend, someone can say моя подруга. Друг, it means male. Подруга. It's a male. Or vice versa. Подруга, female, друг, male. So друг, male, man. Подруга, at the end of the word a, it means it's a female word, and it's about my female friend. Подруга. So pay attention. Подруга also means girlfriend. It's my girlfriend. Это моя подруга. Это моя подруга. But sometimes it can confuse you, because between man and woman can be friendship, right? Not just relationship. And they can call each other подруга, друг. It's normal. But from the context, you can understand that it's a couple or not. Пара, couple, пара. In Russian, пара means two. So couple, this I have couple apples, like couple, like means пара яблок, пара обуви. Обувь, it means shoes or boots, обувь. Generally speaking about all shoes. So обувь, пара обуви. It means two. Two pairs, like par. Two means four different shoes. So couple, if you are talking about couple, you can say para. Para. But para means that you are in a relationship. Do you understand? So, well, what else? Girlfriend, you understand, boyfriend, I also explained you. What about partnership? If you call someone my partner, мой партнер, it means also a lot of stuff. So my partner, мой партнер, it means that it can be my boyfriend, husband, or can be even my partner in a business also. So партнер, the same like partner, need to more explanation. You need to listen, and through this conversation you will understand who is that person for you. So partner and partner. Partner. Partner can be in a businessship and relationship. So friend, I told you, подруга, друг. It's a friendship and also relationship. Подруга, друг. Guys, ребята, remember, don't use it when you are talking with someone who is up to 45. Please. It's insane. So, brother, if you're really not my brother, never stop me at the street. Never say, never call me bro. Never, 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 never. No, never. Even if I say yes, but never. Bro, it's a bit rude. Please be intelligent in Russian. So, especially when you go to Russia at the airport, you open the door and some taxi, and taxi driver can say, bro, bratан, brat, bratан, друг, друг. All these words shows you that it's not serious communication. It's not serious communication, and it's a bit rude if you can say it in office. It just can be with your close friend. Please, I hope that you will remember it and you remind when you come to Russia about all this stuff, and I hope next lesson will help you also.